Is he oh my gosh, what is that movie I just watched? Oh my gosh, what is that? It's the movie it's like oh my gosh, it's literally on the tip of my tongue. Guys, I'm gonna get there, I promise. This is how my brain works. So there's this movie, there's like a blue scene, it's like Matt Damon, Ben Affleck, it's like their love story origin. It's not Brokeback Mountain, but it could have been Brokeback Mountain, but it's not Brokeback Mountain. They wrote it together. They like produced the whole thing. It's oh my gosh, it's literally like their title movie. It's not The Talented Mr. Ripley. It's it's not. I feel like it's like Broke, Aaron Brockovich. No, um, Hunting, Goodwill Hunting. See guys, I got there eventually. It's like Good Will Hunting, where he's like extra smart, but like comes from nothing, I guess.